Minasang konbanwa, sa gabing ito ay tatalakayin natin ang mga list of conjugation verbs. Okay, so simulan na natin, Minna. Magbibigay lang tayo ng isang verb and atin itong i-conjugate. Ikimas, I will go. Ikimasen, I will not go. Ikimashita, I went. Ikimasen deshita, I did not go. Ikimasen ka, won't you go? Or would you like to go? Ikimasho, let's go. Ikitai, I want to go. Ikitakunai, I don't want to go. Ikitakatta, I wanted to go. Ikitakunakatta, I didn't want to go. Itte kudasai, please go. Itteimasu, going. Itte kara, after I go. Ikumai ni, before I go. Itte mo ii desu ka? May I go? Itte wa ikimasen. You must not go. Ikanai de kudasai. Please don't go. Ikanakute mo ii desu. You don't have to go. Or you don't need to go. Ikanakereba narimasen. You must go. Iku to omoimasu. I think I go. Iku to iimashita. I said I go. Iku toki, when I go. Iku koto ga dekimasu. I can go. Itta koto ga arimasu. I've been there. Ittara, if I go. Ikimashou ka, shall we go? So yan po ikabuuan ng conjugation ng verb sa N5. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sa susunod po na video ay verb conjugation naman sa N4 level. Jamata na minasan.